Hi guys, Bitscan now allows for a two-way end-to-end integration with Salesforce. And this is going to be a short video walkthrough of how you can set that up. So as soon as you head over to the integrations tab right here, you can go to add integrations, and here you'll find the Salesforce integrations. It's fairly simple, just click on it, connect Salesforce, and it will take you to the bridge to do the connection. Once your Salesforce is connected, just head back over to the grid section, and in new grid, you will find the option to import data from a Salesforce report. So whatever type of data you want to import here, create a report for that on Salesforce's end. Just map your account and just select the report from the list of reports already available. So once you select that report, you would have the option to import it to a new grid or add it to an existing grid. I've already created a small grid for this. So this is what it looks like. The report has been set up. We have all of the data points available, and we are finding something about the company first. So we're checking whether the website is working, and based on that, we're doing a little bit of flagging. We're also looking up on Salesforce to see whether the contact or company already exists or not. Not really relevant in this case because we know that the contact has been fetched from Salesforce itself, but we do not know whether there is already a company that exists corresponding to that contact or not, or has an account been created corresponding to that contact or not. So that's why we do this lookup. And based on that, we then find details about the company, get all of those data points. We find funding and revenue information regarding the company, list them all out using Perplexity. And we also find people from that company, further more contacts that we can utilize to reach out to. We check whether they're hiring for a specific role or not. We find out about their tech stack, whether they are working with any competitors or not, and some recent news. And based on all of these data points and whether the the account already exists on Salesforce or not, we either create an account or update an account. So once the account level updation has been done, we then enrich the person level data. Since this was a report getting contact level data, we check for the recent LinkedIn URL, recent headline, name, we enrich their entire LinkedIn details. And based on all of these data points and their contact information, they are then pushed to Salesforce's, contact level record. And while we're on this topic, I'll show you how you set up the push to Salesforce and Salesforce lookup enrichments. So if you go to integrations here, you would see that there are two options here. If you select Salesforce lookup object, all you need to do is set up the account, what type of object you want to look for, what Salesforce property you have and you want to match on. So maybe I'll put full name here, and with what property do you want to match it. So I'll pick the full name from this grid, which should be right here, and what data points you want to fetch. So I'll just pass contact ID here. So save, and I'll just rename this lookup and save, and if I run this, it will find the object and all of the data point that I asked for, which was the ID. Now, very similar to that, pushing to Salesforce is fairly easy as well. You just set it up, select the account, select the record type, what action you want to do, the Salesforce ID you want to update on, and you can map the fields and push these data points to Salesforce. A very simple workflow. This allows for you to create automations of multiple different use cases wherein we can do your CRM sanitizing. We can automatically pick contacts or accounts from your Salesforce and either find more people for the accounts or run segregated campaigns for these accounts. If you have some kind of inbound based architecture set up wherein people visit your websites and you can catch that. So you can simply pull them here, do some kind of enrichments and push them into Salesforce. So all of this is now possible. So let us know if you want to employ any of these features in your existing workflows, and reach out to us if you have any questions. Cheers.